Well, welcome to New Beginnings Window and Door, located at 62 McKinley Street in the beautiful village of Wappingers Falls. Spring has officially sprung, which means it is time for spring cleaning. We've cleaned up our showroom and we'd love to show you what we've done in our beautiful showroom. So come on inside. You are always welcome to stop by, whether you're buying windows, doors, or just want to say hello to a member of the Haynes family. When you walk right in, you're going to see our beautiful accent wall with a number of projects that we've had. Of course, the solid MB team here serving you for over 15 years. Right here in the Hudson Valley. You walk on in and you can see right away, we've got over 30 live displays for you to look at, feel, touch, operate. So this way, when you buy windows and doors from us, you know exactly what you're getting when you get them. So you can check out, we've got our Windsor displays here. We have our Yale handle set display as well. Then if you follow me a little further in, we've got some more hardware for you to look at. Patio doors, we've got windows from over our 15 different manufacturers. Windsor, Simonton, Colby, Plyjet, Pella, and everything in between. We've got a beautiful new Captiva display. Our offices, all with doors options that you can put in your home or office. And as you walk down, if you're lucky enough and you come here on the right day, you might get to meet our guard dog and official MB mascot, Loomis. He's here. He's sometimes the most productive person in the showroom. Sometimes he's the laziest, but aren't we all every day now? So come on down to 62 McKinley Street in the village of Wappingers Falls. Come visit our new showroom so we here at New Beginnings Window and Door can help you begin each day with a beautiful view.